In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of different things that you can do to improve your wireless connection speeds. It's a couple of different settings you can change. Very easy to do, very easy to follow along how-to tutorial. So the first place that we need to go to is our wireless adapter. So how do we get there? Let's right click on the start menu and go to run. And here I want you to type in ncpa.cpl. This will open up our network connections. Now in network connections, let's go to the wireless adapter. Let's right click on properties and let's go to the configure section of that adapter. So in this section, let's jump to the last tab, which is power management. Make sure nothing is checked here. You want everything turned off here. Then let's go back to the advanced tab. In the advanced tab, let's go to this second wireless mode and set it to 802.11 AC. Now the second setting that we need to change is go down to ARP offload and set that to disable. We don't want that enabled. Then the next setting below that is go down to fat channel intolerant, set that to disabled. Then go down to MIMO power save mode and set that to no SMPS. Then the next setting below that is going to be NS offload, set that to disabled as well. And then a little bit lower than that, we're going to go to roaming aggressiveness. The default setting is medium, so if yours is set to medium, change that to lowest. And then we're going to go to the setting right below that, set that to disabled. And the setting below that, the default is going to be disabled, but let's enable it. I found that if you enable this setting, it does improve your internet connection speeds just a little bit, enough to make a difference so it matters. So let's enable that setting and then press OK. Now, my settings were already enabled. Your adapter is probably going to restart and reconnect and apply the settings. So the next thing that we need to do is right click on it again, go back to properties, and then in this section, go down to Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. So what we're changing here is the DNS server address. So set the preferred DNS server to 1.1.1.1. And then right below it, go to the alternate advanced server and set that to 1.0.0.1. This is going to be using Cloudflare's DNS servers, which are a little bit faster and will definitely have an impact on your connectivity speeds. So let's press OK and press close. And if you followed along, your wireless internet connection should be a little bit faster. And if it is, please let me know in the comments down below. I really appreciate it. And if it helped you out, leave a like in the video if you found value in the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you in the next one.